We're going to check in with Nick on your forecast today.
Yeah, I just was checking in with a friend and saying that, that breeze from the north and west, it feels so nice this morning. The humidity is falling in the wake of a cold front that is moving through here first thing today. In fact, taking with it most of the rain chances as well. Still dealing with some clouds lingering across the region. We will see those start to clear out here by mid to late morning. Live view atop the Bald Knob Cross of Peace out of Alto Pass. And gorgeous shot there this morning. You can see a little fog still lingering around in some of the valleys after we've had some rain still passing through overnight. Again, that rain has since come to an end, and we are looking forward to a cooler, less humid day. In fact, temperatures today will be running nearly 10 degrees cooler than average, and the humidity is dropping as we speak. Wednesday will be the pick day of the week as we'll continue to see some cooler, less humid air pushing in, and we'll enjoy some sunshine, quite a bit of it on the way for Wednesday. But take advantage of it because even by the end of the week, Thursday, we start to see the humidity creep back in, and by Friday and the weekend, well, there's going to be quite a bit of heat, humidity, and some more chances for scattered showers and storms. Starting to dry out, though, in southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, parts of western Kentucky were the last to see some of these showers, and since those have come to an end, one of those were passing just to the south there of Princeton, Kentucky. That has now shifted to the east of our viewing area. Temperatures have dropped back into the upper 60s into southern Illinois right now. We're down to 69 in Benton, 69 as well. In McLeansboro, it's 68 currently in Golconda and Vienna, 69 currently in Carbondale. Further to the south, quite a few low 70s out across parts of western Kentucky. Murray, there is at 70, while Clinton is currently at 71, and Union City, Tennessee is at 73. And in southeast Missouri, ranging from the middle 60s back into the Ozarks, there Fredericktown at 64 degrees and 72 still in New Madrid. There's the cold front. It is now making its way through parts of western Kentucky. Behind it, there is a fair amount of cool air for this time of year. Peoria down to 58, Omaha, Nebraska down to 58 degrees. St. Louis still holding on at 67, and the drop in the humidity is really going to be the most notable thing with this cold front. Out ahead of it, dew points running in the upper 60s and low 70s. And when we talk dew point, again, we're talking about humidity. So anything in the upper 60s and low 70s, that's a lot of very humid air. You drop dew points back in the lower 60s, upper 50s. For this time of year, that's some fairly comfortable air. And notice a lot of drier air to our north, and that will continue to filter in for the rest of today. So there goes the rain. It's exiting. We're still dealing with some low clouds right now. Another little batch of some high clouds moving out across parts of southwest Missouri. We'll kind of pass overhead later on this morning. Otherwise, winds today out of the north and west, ushering in that cooler air. Should be a pretty nice afternoon with some sunshine eventually taking hold. Again, there's the sunshine by 3 p.m. Another weak disturbance actually drops in tonight and brings a small chance for an isolated shower or two. Most areas are going to completely miss out on this, but especially into southern Illinois, there's a chance we could see a stray shower or two in about a 2-hour window here coming up this evening, anywhere from about 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then it clears on out, and overnight skies begin to clear, expecting quite a bit of sunshine Wednesday, just some fair weather clouds on Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday should be a very nice day to be outside. 81 degrees today with mostly sunny skies this afternoon. Winds will be out of the north and west and really could be a little breezy at times, but by tonight, again, a small chance for an isolated shower or two by 9 p.m. as we drop back to about 70 by then, and by midnight, we're falling back into the middle 60s. Enjoy the nice weather and the comfortable air while we've got it. Dew points in the low 60s for the next couple of days. By the end of the week, though, Thursday, even starting to see dew points climb back in the upper 60s, and then by Friday and Saturday, dew points back in the low 70s, and that means very warm mornings and hot and humid afternoons. 60 degrees to start off Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon jumping back in the low 80s. Thursday starting to creep back into the upper 80s, and a small chance for an isolated shower or storm there in the forecast late in the day on Thursday. A couple more scattered showers and storms in here for Friday. That's the warm front lifting across the area. And that is the surge of that humidity pushing back in. Saturday and Sunday, a couple spot showers, spot storms, afternoon highs running about 90. Notice those morning temperatures too, running in the low 70s. That is some humid air, and it's going to stick around even into the early part of next week.